Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about family. First, it's important to keep in our minds what our family is. If you are a child, your family is your mom, or your dad, or your mom and your dad, and your brother or brothers, and your sister or your sisters. Also, you might have aunts or uncles. Those are the brothers and sisters of your mom and dad. If those aunts or uncles have kids, they are your cousins. Then you have grandparents, the parents of your parents. We can call them grandma or grandmother and grandpa or grandfather. If you are older like me, though, the family becomes more complicated. I have a wife, and she has a family. So my wife's mom is now a part of my family, but it's a different family from my family in America. The mother of my wife is my mother-in-law, and my wife's father is my father-in-law. My wife's brother is my brother-in-law. When people get married, the idea of family becomes complicated. So I often say my side of the family when I talk about my mom and my dad and my brother and sister. And I say your side of the family when I talk with my wife about her mom and her dad and her brother. My side of the family lives in America, but I live in Vietnam. So I live far away from my side of the family. If you are married like me, do you live far away from your side of the family? Or do you live close to your side of the family? You can say, I live close to my side of the family. Or you can say, I don't live close to my side of the family. Because I live far away from my side of the family, we have video calls with each other almost every day. Do you have video calls with your family members? If you live close to them, maybe you don't need to have video calls with them. Maybe you eat dinner with them every night. We live next door to my wife's side of the family, and that makes them very happy. My brother-in-law also has 2 kids. They are my daughter's cousins, and they play together every day. They are very close. My daughter knows English and Vietnamese because I speak to her in English and because everyone around her in this small town speaks to her in Vietnamese. So my daughter helps her cousins to learn English. They play together in English a lot. In your family, is there more than one language that people use? You can say, no, we only use one language in my family. Or you can say, yes, we use 2 languages or 3 languages in my family. Also, when you spend time with your family, what do you like to do with them? You can say, I like to cook with them, or I like to talk with them, or I like to do sports with them. Now, and when I lived in America with them, I liked and still like today to talk with my family, to share ideas. Before we end this video, let's practice saying a difficult word from the video. Cousin. Some people think that the OU says O, but it doesn't. It says like up. Also, the S in that word makes a Z sound, like zebra. So, we do not say cousin, we say cousin, cousin. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.